In April 1912, the Titanic left Southampton, carrying the world's expectations. She was a floating palace, filled with confidence and quiet pride. 4 nights later, the Atlantic lay still, almost unnaturally calm. From the crow's nest, a shadow appeared ahead. Too close. An iceberg, silent in the moonlight, waiting. Steel scraped against ice, a sound no one forgot. The hull had been torn. Passengers felt it first, a subtle shift beneath their feet. Confusion turned to fear. Below deck, water surged through the corridors, compartment by compartment. Engineers fought desperately, but the sea kept rising. There was no stopping it. Lifeboats were lowered into freezing darkness. Not enough for everyone. The stern climbed into the night sky, a giant silhouette against the stars. Then, the Titanic vanished beneath the Atlantic. Silence followed. But months before the voyage, her sister ship, Olympic, had suffered serious damage. Repairs were costly. Insurance coverage limited. Financial pressure grew. Both ships returned to the same shipyard at nearly the same time. They were nearly identical, to most eyes, impossible to distinguish. Same size, same structure, same appearance. And that's where questions begin. What if something changed here? Blueprints show subtle differences, small details that fuel speculation. Insurance values did not match. One loss meant far more money. Could the damaged ship have sailed under another name? Could identities have been switched? Most historians reject this theory, calling it speculation. Official construction records remain consistent. No clear evidence of a swap. Survivor accounts never mention such a switch. Yet doubts continue to surface over a century later. Was it truly the Titanic that rests beneath the Atlantic? Or has history hidden something in plain sight?